Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert gift card codes and redeem codes that Valorant events give you to claim buddies and cards and stuff like that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the Valorant point here. I have none, but if you want to give me some, I'd gladly take it. Slide this to the very right and you're going to select prepaid cards and codes. If you have a prepaid card, write PIN or other code, you're just going to enter the code below and you're going to press submit, and you're going to get either the Valorant points or the item that you get, the item that they give, I meant. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Here's my ID if you again want to give me some Valorant points. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!